So I'm going to do something a little bit different. See how it goes. I have found a kernel of wheat, said the little red hen. Now, who will help me plant this wheat? Where is that lazy dog? Where is that lazy cat? Where is that lazy mouse? Wait a minute, hold everything. You can't tell your story right here. This is the end paper. The book hasn't even started yet. Who are you? Will you help me plant the wheat? I'm Jack, the narrator. And no, I can't help you plant the wheat. I am a very, very busy guy trying to put a book together. Now why don't you just disappear for a few pages? I'll call you when I need you. But who will help me tell my story? Who will help me draw a picture of the wheat? Who will help me spell the wheat? Listen, hen, forget the wheat. Here comes the title page for The Stinky Cheese Man and Other Fairly Stupid Tales by Jon Scieszka Lane Smith. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you these very short tales, one at a time, in a lot of very swift videos. So let's see if you can keep up.